Today, we're doing one of the most comforting soups of all time.
Simmer to perfection with a meaty ham bone.
Every bowl is a soup lover's dream come true.
Every bite is stick to your ribs yumminess.
And don't forget the toast.
No, that soup needs the bread.
Soaks up that yumminess. This is such comfort food. So we're using we have a ham bone that was left over from Easter that I pulled out of the freezer.
You guys might still have one around.
If you do, if not, buy some ham and make some
sandwiches.
Sandwiches, and then use this ham bone because this is to die for. Okay, so now this, I've got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, no, 2 tablespoons of olive oil that I've heated over medium heat, and I've got here 2 cups of cubed ham that I just cut away when I cut down the meat off of the bone. And I love it because this meat down here is really close to the bone, so it's super flavorful.
Yes, and then you give it a little char.
We're gonna crisp it up a little bit. Yeah.
Look, so these are split peas. When I was younger, I was like, how do they split?
How do they split a pea? I know. I think a lot of people wonder that.
Right. Well, and I stayed away from anything that was green.
I did too.
Like a green soup? No way.
I know. I was not a fan of peas as a kid.
But this soup is, and I love it because it gets thick.
It's
and
thick.
Delicious.
Those things in there, they just naturally release their starch. It feels like it's creamy and decadent, but it's not. It's actually healthy.
So these are dried. Split peas are dried, and they're split in half. There you go.
There you go. That's all you need to know. And the legumes. Okay, so now we're gonna let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until it gets nice and crispy, and then we just keep going. Okay, look at that. Nice and crispy and so flavorful. The smell is incredible. Okay, so we're just gonna take this out of the pot, and we will return it a little later on in the party.
We're gonna leave all that good juice in there.
Oh yeah, see that's a part of this. There is so much flavor that's just coming out of this ham. It's just gonna continue throughout the soup. You know, you could, if you don't want to cook with meat or didn't want to cook with ham, you could just omit it and use vegetable broth. But if you like ham, this is some flavor, some serious flavor. So now we don't need to add any more oil. It rendered a little grease, so that's good. So we got our mirepoix. This is the holy trinity of chopped onion, chopped celery, and sliced carrot.
Yay!
You can chop your carrots up, you can dice it, you can do it any way you want. But we're just going to continue to cook this now over medium heat for about 4 minutes until it starts to get nice and tender. Okay, so you see how those are just now starting to get softened. They will soften very much so as they simmer on the stove with the liquid.
And that
was 3 cloves of garlic that I minced, and we're just going to let it get nice and aromatic and just let it cook for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add the broth. This is 8 cups, my good old chicken broth.
Has it been long enough for that garlic?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. So 8 cups. Now, if you really want this to be the flavor bomb of all flavor bombs, make this from scratch. I've got a chicken broth recipe. I've got a chicken stock recipe. You can also use a vegetable broth, which would be wonderful as well.
Look at that.
Yeah. So now we're gonna bring this to a simmer. Now let's go ahead and add those split peas.
Okay.
We said we'll do that
These
last.
guys.
Yeah.
These legumes.
The legumes. So this is 16 ounces of, I got some organic split peas. I went to one of our favorite places to go, which is Whole Foods, and you just get as much as you want. Okay, so now we're gonna add some seasonings. I have got a teaspoon of dry thyme and a teaspoon of smoked paprika, because there is flavor there. And then we've got 2 bay leaves. Okay. Oh,
I love smoked paprika.
I do too. Okay, now talk about umping up.
You know what? This thing is
it's cooked. It's cooked.
There you go.
Yeah. Now we're just gonna nestle that in there. It's so big, it's gonna probably not completely be submerged, which is okay. Trust us that.
Now
that goes in later. That goes in later. Now, note on the sodium, the salt that you're adding. So I went with low sodium broth. The meat is pretty salty, and definitely that ham is pretty salty. So go a little easy on the salt. You can definitely add more at the end. You can't take it away. So I'm going to start off with maybe just about a teaspoon and a quarter, and then I'm going to do a nice healthy teaspoon of black pepper. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this come to a boil, and then I'm going to partially cover it, turn the heat down, and let it simmer for an hour.
Yes.
And those lentils will just start to disintegrate, and it turns into this thick, incredible soup. Okay, oh my gosh,
It
this
smells
house
so good.
smells heavenly.
Look at that.
Look at that. So this is, so we brought it to a boil, and then I partially covered it, and then I every little bit come and turn the bone over, so you're gonna get all kinds of goodness.
Wow.
You see how those, so these have been going for about an hour now, and you see the
They're breaking down.
They are getting nice and bloated, and so we're getting close. We don't have much longer to go. While we're at it, we're gonna take this out. I'm gonna see if I can do this without dropping it. But
yeah,
just take
that
that
would be
bone out of
best.
there. And there are some amazing meat
Come on over here.
on that bone, so that we're gonna shred
look
away.
at that. And I have got my heat-proof glove, which I love.
He's so proud of it.
And I'm just gonna get a good grip
Just
on
get
this.
as much as you can off of there, and then we'll return it
Oh,
to
look at
the.
that.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
Yes.
Now we're gonna, this ham that we crisped up earlier, we're gonna stir it in, let it join the party. Any collected juices. Oh my God, look at that! Isn't that beautiful?
Yes, that is
So
gorgeous.
those split peas are going to continue to break down, and it's going to be just the most glorious, glorious soup.
Here I go. Sorry, I'm taking.
That's okay. No,
I'm
that's
getting
okay.
all-
So I would say you could let this go probably an hour and a half, and then do another 30 minutes, but 2 hours. But usually I find that 90 minutes is the sweet spot for just
Wow,
the right.
look at that.
That looks good.
That's some good stuff.
good.
That is cartilage
don't put
right
any
there.
fat or cartilage
Here
in
we
there.
go,
And we got a lot of the meat off, obviously, that was in there beforehand. But if you got any extra, all right, I'm gonna just take
Here
this.
you got it.
Take this bone by the hand.
Oh, you're gonna stick it right back in there?
Oh yeah.
And can I
let it keep on?
dump this in there?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Bring it all in.
All right. Hold on. Here we go.
Okay. So now I know
It's like a Muppet hand.
it is.
Hold on.
Okay.
And there you go.
Okay, so now I'm gonna leave this uncovered and just let it simmer here for another like 30 minutes. And then there's one little last thing we do to kind of brighten the flavor. And then it's time to eat some amazing soup.
Yay!
Soup's on!
That looks.
That's beautiful.
Look at that color.
I know.
It's
just
amazing.
So, okay, so now we let that go for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna get this big old bone out of here. You've done a good job,
Yes,
Mr. Bone.
thank you, Mr. Bone.
And then we got
get that bay leaf.
Get the bay leaves out. There's another one floating around here. Now you see that those the split peas have broken down, and it becomes a pretty thick soup. We've done this multiple ways. We've done it also. A lot of people love it where their soup is practically like pudding or porridge, and that's if you like it, and that's delicious. If you like it super thick, then go with one less cup of broth, and so that would be like 6 or 7. We need just one more little punch of flavor.
Love that.
A little
vinegar.
or a little acid. That is sherry vinegar that I stirred in here.
There's that. There's that.
Oh, there he is.
There she is.
And
there she is.
There she goes. And you could also do a little lemon juice if you don't have sherry vinegar. It just brightens the flavor. Okay.
Yay!
All right.
Oh, this
let's
guy.
do this. I've also done this where you make homemade croutons to put on top. A lot of times I'll save some of that, the ham.
Yes, come on. Here it comes. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A little more.
Yeah.
Give me a side view there. There we go. Perfect. Oh, come on in.
How's that grab you? That'll do.
That's gorgeous.
Okay,
now you.
Yes.
Let's make sure everybody can see this lovely.
The soup freezes beautifully as well. So, doing this.
Yum!
My bad hand. I'm a lefty.
That looks so good.
So good. And the smell is
That
off the
is like
charts.
plenty. Oh, we've got this for seconds and thirds.
And it's loaded with nutrients. Split peas are super healthy for you.
Okay, y'all, watch this. Watch this wonderfulness. Okay.
That ham. I mean,
Look at that, chunks of ham in
Chock
there.
full of ham, baby.
Okay, we're gonna go in.
Yeah, let
me blow
take
on
one
it.
for the team. Okay, here we go.
Oh my.
That is flavor. I mean, this is obviously when it's cold. When it's cold and chilly outside, this is. But I mean, it's not cold and chilly. Well, it is kind of today.
It is today.
But any time of the year,
this is perfect. This is a good spring too.
It is. It's veggie-ish.
I slurped my soup. Sorry. Wow.
Now I got
Okay, yeah.
little plunge.
Here we go. I'm gonna do this to y'all. Look at that. Okay. Oh, see, it's just, and actually, the more it sits, the thicker it gets.
It does.
Which I don't mind.
That's a good point. So when you put it in the fridge and you get it the next day, heavenly. It made me feel like, well, that's a block of soup. It will thin when you heat it, get a little more splash of broth or even water. It's perfection.
That is perfection. And
It's
it's 1,000,000% aluminum proof. That is got some meat and potatoes. No, it's meat.
And split peas and veggies.
We've been doing a lot of pork lately.
I know. We're not porking around, I'll tell you that much. All right, we love you guys. This soup is, it's fun. God, do a springtime soup. It's so delicious.
Look at all that ham.
I know.
Oh.
Get hammy. All right, we love you guys. Make soup and be
Yes.
happy.